Here's Piney Point, the campgrounds at Piney Point in Sleepy Creek Lake in West Virginia. This is a wildlife management area. You see the lake right here on the point. Lake nearly 260, 270 degrees around you. One campground down at the bottom and about 4 up here up top. Altogether there's about 70 campgrounds here in the wildlife management area. See, it's going to be a beautiful night. Great place to come out and go kayaking or canoeing. A lot of people fishing. That's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow.